Hey, this video is for Alix Traeger. Alix, you mentioned in one of your videos that you don't know how to fix your light. So this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to do it. If you have any questions afterward, feel free to get in touch with me. Okay, Alix, it's pretty simple. There's a nut right here at the top and the center of your light. All you're going to do is just unscrew it counterclockwise. There'll be a little washer and a bowl. That's all there is to it. Just take those off. Then you got your light bulb. Counterclockwise. Remove the light bulb. Get a new light bulb. Clockwise to put the new one in. Put the bowl back up. You want to center it. Remember to put your washer back on. And then take your nut and screw the light back on. Working after that, get in touch with me. I'll walk you through any repair you need for your light.